All right, so I recently read on the Revel 4x4 Facebook group, a guy had a problem with his wiring on his rear solar panel, rubbing against the paint so bad that it actually put a hole in the roof of his Sprinter van. So I decided to check mine, and sure enough, it was rubbing, actually in two areas, but it had gone through the paint, the primer, to bare metal as a result of those wires just laying there over time. And most Revel owners are out in the sticks, so you got a lot of dust, abrasion, and something just rubbing through like that. Eventually it's going to either rub through the wiring or it's going to rub through your van. So I decided to go ahead and remove the panel and deal with it. And after 3 years, there was a fair amount of crap on the roof that needed to be addressed. So I cleaned that all up, and also checked out all the roof ceiling for the penetrations. All right, so I decided to just use Gorilla Tape to secure the wiring to the back of the solar panel. Figured that would be the simplest way to just address that. And there's your finished redundant taping job, leaving enough room for the solar panel connection to hook up. And then yeah, this is a little better look at the two spots that had gone clean through the paint, the primer to bare metal, and ended up getting some touch-up paint from Scratches Happen, and apparently there's two pebble grays for Mercedes, so double check before you place that order. I ended up having to get a second one, but the match was decent, and it's going to be under a solar panel, so I'm not that freaked out about it. So did the job just fine. And so I'm up here, figured I'd use some dielectric grease for the solar panel connection. And yeah, it's pretty funky looking though. But yeah, just to ensure a good solid connection. So did that while I was dealing with that. And then the mounting brackets for the solar panel had some oxidation on them. Ended up putting some rust remover and actually repainted them. And decided what the heck, I'll go ahead and put some Rain-X on the panel while I had it off. This is the roof sealer that I ended up using. I've used it before on the Revel. I got it from Litzen. This is what they recommended. It's a self-leveling material, and it seems to hold up really well. So I had a couple areas that were looking a little sketchy, and I just addressed them. It's really going to be the areas that are exposed to direct sunlight that are going to be the ones that are subject to fail. So really check those out, and just takes a few minutes and you can get that addressed. All right, there's a finished product. Everything's taped up, nothing's touching the top of the van, and we're back in business. But if you have a Revel, I would highly recommend you check this out, because it could actually turn into something pretty serious. As always, thanks for watching. No need to thumbs up or subscribe. I don't care about that, but you're awesome for watching the video. Thanks.